What a wild ride in the market this morning. The market was up, the market was down. We had some pops, we had some drops. The chop was real. It was a chop fest. I had a few trades that I entered at really good spots. I was up $300, $400, $500 and then got stopped out for break even. This happened probably 4 or 5 times, just getting stopped out, break even, getting stopped out, break even. And it was getting really frustrating because I had people in the chat that were like, oh, you suck. Oh, you're the worst. Ha, ha, ha. And I get it, right? Like, I get it. Like, it looks like, oh, it's funny because Patrick's getting stopped out. But the thing is, like, I would much rather take a break-even trade and then look for those bigger movers. Take a break-even trade, look for a bigger mover, and do that over and over until I get that big mover, than I would trying to lock in $200 profit, $300 of profit, locking in profit early. Like, it doesn't do anything for me, right? Like, I want those big moves. That's what we're looking for, big moves. I'm gonna show you the trades right here in this video. Had some really good trades. The overall entries, exits, the execution was on point. I felt really good about the execution, and that's what it's all about. Like, if I know that I can execute, if I can pick my entries really well, and I can pick my targets really well, well, then I can start to size up. I can size up 10 contracts, 20 contracts. I can get to a point where I'm making $10,000, $20,000, $30,000 a day. Like, I think it's very realistic. If you can be spot on with your entries, your exits, and all that, well, then it's just a game of sizing up. More risk, more reward. Let's get into it. ES has to get above 90s here. That high on that last candle being 90. Jumping long right there. See if we get a quick squeeze up. See if we can push up above the 95s, 96 level. Trying to push 93s coming up. And trying to push through 90. Let's get 93 push, baby. Come on. Looking for a break over 93s here. Come on. Let's do it. Let's go. Come on. Come on, little market. You can do it. Moving my stop up here. Only risking $150 now, 88s. So we get this push through the 93s up to the 96s here, up to the 94s. So now I can move my break-even stop. Guarantee that we're locking profit here up to the 95s there. Looking for a little bit more. Getting stopped out there. Fuck me. Getting stopped out for now. Market just did not want to push all the way through there. Take another short here. See if we can get that crack below 76. Tight stop at 78s. Just, like I said, keeping small losers, looking for some bigger winners. Get this break below 74, go down to the 70s next. Can we break 74s here? Down to 73s, looking for 70s or lower here. Oh, come on. No, not again. I mean, I could probably make my stops bigger, but I don't know. I don't know if it's worth it. Stopped out again. Are you fucking kidding me? Hey, if you guys want to learn more about the Topstep Combine, the Topstep program, don't be afraid to check out the link down below. Also, if you haven't already hit that subscribe button, do me a favor, hit that subscribe button, the like button, leave me a comment down below. Are you trading futures? How are you trading futures? What broker are you using? I'm interested to find out which broker everyone is using. And also tune in at 9:15 a.m. Eastern. I'll see you guys live. As I say that, the market starts pushing back up here. All right, can we finally get a move here? Let's see. Currently long, looking for this push over the 80s. Currently long, looking for a push up above the 81s minimum here. Get a boner candle above the 81s. There we go, getting a fill. See if we can ride this a little bit higher. Got my last two contracts, break even there. Twos right here, so we can push through this. I'm gonna put another order right there, 82.50. See if we get filled, just to take that profit a little early. We've been getting stopped out for stupid little moves here. We got one contract left here, taking profit into this push up. Beautiful. And for all the haters out there, well, there you go. Suck on my suck on my profits. This is what I was saying earlier. We just lead it. All we had to do was just take a little losses, and then bam, we get this one good trade and we're off the races. I mean, right now we're up 850. Once we lock in this profit, we're going to be up over 1,000. So where the fuck is everybody at? Where are all the haters at now? I'm gonna put an order out there, 88.50 to get filled for $537 profit on that last contract there. Let's see if we can get it. Should be able to get a push to the 90s here. We bought the 77s, selling into the 88s here, over 10 handles. Looking for 88.50s right there. Almost getting touched. Almost, come on, give me a fill. Give me a fill. Getting filled there, 88.50, beautiful. In a pattern here, really doing anything other than just chopping around this 70 level. Still waiting to see possible breakout to the upside here again. Maybe she wants to go down here. Maybe she wants to go up. I mean, it's fucked either way. Problem is, like, do I really want to get short into this support here at the 72s? Possible reversal back up to the VWAP at the 87s here. Like I said, on that 15-minute chart, looking a little bottomy there. You can see the 15-minute chart trying to push back up here. We really need this to kind of get going and retest that high again, 88s. If we can push over 84s, I might look to get long here. Let's see, over 84s, looking to get long possibly. If you want to learn more about my strategy, how I'm entering and exiting these trades and all that fun stuff, you want to find out what I'm looking at, check out this video up above. There's a video up there. You can check it out and learn more about my 3-minute strategy. Very simple strategy that I use every day when it comes to day trading futures. Liking this right here. Let's push up above the 88s. Like I said, looking for that boner candle to come in here. Can we get it? I took a little bit of profit already. Got my stop at the 81. I'm going to keep my stop a little bit wider here. Risk a little bit more. See if we can't finally get this breakout over the 88s. Trying to get this push up to the 88s or higher. Get through that VWAP here finally on the ES. The NASDAQ still got room to the VWAP with the ES right there at the VWAP now. Will they be able to push it through? VWAP. Do the VWAP. There we go. 87's pushing up there now. 88's. Beautiful move. I want to see more though. I want to see more. Hopefully I'm not being greedy, but let's see us finally get a break above the VWAP. Moving my stop to break even here. Oh, that VWAP. I should have taken the profit at the VWAP. If we get stopped out here, I'm just going to wait for something to happen above VWAP. So we got stopped out there. That VWAP, once again, is acting as resistance. Overall, I feel pretty good on the execution today. I think, you know, we've got some really good entries. We're just not getting that follow through. It's okay, you know. My whole thing is, like, I talked about this before, like, for me right now, my biggest thing is if I can get my entries so good, like if I can make my entries, like every trade that I've taken today, I've basically been in the green, you know, $300, $400, $500. So it's just like, the more that I can build up my confidence in my entries, that's just going to give me more confidence to really size up. You know, I get, because the thing is, like, I can get to a point where I'm trading, you know, 10 contracts, trading 15 contracts, because I feel confident in my overall entries, right? Like I feel confident in like my strategy to get in at a good time. Look at this push up here. Like I said, I think this is gonna squeeze. I like it. I'm gonna take it. See if we get a push up above that 89s or the 90s. From there, get above that VWAP finally. The ES, the NASDAQ, both trying to push up here at the same time together. So that's good to see. Let's go. Come on. Just gonna move my stop to like right below break even there. Again, you know, we're risking a little bit for big profits, baby. Can we push through the 90s here? We need to push, push, push if we're gonna do it. I think I always say that, but obviously you don't want to get stuck at that 90 level. We want to push right through that 90s and push to the 93s or higher. Right there, tapping 90s, multiple times tapping 90s here. There we go, through 90s now. Can we go 93s next? Pretty good read on that one. Get that push above the VWAP here. 92s coming up. Come on, baby. Let's give me that 93 push. We get 93s, I'm done for the day. Just gonna walk. I'm gonna walk away with my profits. 93's coming, baby. 93's are coming. 92s, 92s, 93s. Come on, give me that $1,000, baby. 92.50, 92.50, 92.50, and 93s getting filled. Love it. You love to see it. You can see the setup here. We have that double kind of bottom there, getting that W formation, the Wieland formation, and there's that breakout. Everybody was bearish, and I was thinking, hey, this is looking very reversally. This is looking very, was seeing how we are kind of basing, kind of bottoming out there at that 75 level. It just kind of told me like, hey, I want to get long. And would you look at that? That's what, look at this. This is how amazing this is. If you look at my my exit right there, 93s, the high on that candle was 93.25. Looking for this little squeeze up to the 95s here. 95 squeeze. Keeping my stop pretty tight here. I don't want to give back any profits, but looking for this to squeeze up. Oh, baby, come on. I love it when it's like this. I love it when it's like this. Give it to me, baby. Just give it to me. Make it easy on me, daddy. Daddy. Come on, make it easy on me, mama. Make it easy on me. Somebody make it easy on me. New subscriber, let's go. Come on. Look at this thing all the way. 95s. Oh, we almost got touched. Almost got touched there. We're going 95s or higher. And there we go. Locking it in, baby. Why did I think 95s is where I want to be target? That was based off of the book map here. 96 is showing that liquidity there. Will it still go higher? There's still a possibility, but let's break it down really quickly. Why was this a good trade? Why did I want to buy that? All right, look. We got the bottom of these candles right there, just holding that support. Beautiful, right? That's what we want to see. If we focus on the setup, we had that breakout. We had our line already on there, set up perfectly. We enter for the break over the 90s. We get the push up there to the 95s. What else we got going on? Anybody else got any more reasons to why this is a good trade? We got the MACD bullish. We're above the EMAs. We've also got the VWAP acting as support. So we had the VWAP, we had the MACD, we had the EMAs, we had the support there off of this kind of 86, 87 level there, and it was off the races. So nice and easy. You don't even need to overthink it. And there's that move up to the 96s. And what's amazing is, look at this. Look at it. When you look at it, I literally took profit at 95.50, the high being 96. So once again, that's all because of Bookmap. The reason I figure out where my targets are going to be is based on the liquidity that's on Bookmap. And you can see it pays for itself. No one to take profit right there.